You can have these buns either with aloo patty or a paneer patty because these are high in protein and gluten free, which you can have guilt free. Welcome to episode 2 of Air Fry series. Hi people, welcome to नित्या के क्रिएशन। आज हम लोग मिलकर सीखेंगे हेल्दी बर्गर बन्स। हमें चाहिए psyllium husk, some seeds, curd, salt, lemon juice and oil। और सबसे इसका मेन इंग्रेडिएंट्स है दाल, जो कि है मसूर दाल एंड उड़द दाल। इसे हमें 1 घंटा के लिए सोक करना है। आफ्टर दैट इसे ग्राइंड करेंगे। Along with dal, we will put psyllium husk, salt, lemon juice, oil and curd. Now we will grind. The texture should be like this. Now we will add baking soda and mix it. Keep at 180 degrees for 5 to 10 minutes.
These are high in protein, gluten-free burger buns which are made from dal.